Sifunde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin nechomi zakhe.
Zihlobo, if you enjoy our videos, please join us on Patreon and become a member. Your support helps us keep creating more isiXhosa content for our little Under Penguin learners. Members get access to exclusive videos, word searches, coloring books, and read aloud stories.
Molweni zihlobo zam. Namhlanje siqhubeka ngokufunda ngezilwanyana zasendle. Today we're continuing to learn about wild animals. Masiyeni. Let's go.
Ingonyama, lion. Ingonyama, ingonyama, lions. Ingonyama.
Igala, meerkat. Igala, amagala, meerkats. Amagala.
Inkawu, monkey. Inkawu, inkawu, monkeys. Inkawu.
Inqanda, porcupine. Inqanda, inqanda, porcupines. Inqanda.
Inyoka, snake. Inyoka, inyoka, snakes. Inyoka. Ingciniba, ostrich. Ingciniba, ingciniba, ostriches. Ingciniba. Umkhombe, rhinoceros or rhino. Umkhombe. Imikhombe, rhinoceroses or rhinos. Imikhombe. Iqaqa, skunk. Iqaqa. Amaqaqa, skunks. Amaqaqa.